Hello my people, cool down the back, and this is how the installation for the Tesla charger is coming out. And one quick tip that I'm going to give you guys, that this is an issue that I found with the base of the Tesla installation, that there is nowhere for you to find level. You see, there's no flat or square edges. It's kind of like rounded, kind of like an angle, like an arc. So it's nowhere for you to get a good level. Even the enter for the top is not flat. You see, it has an angle too. It's not flat, so there's no way for you to get a good level. So one quick tip that I'm gonna give you, you see, you can find here, you can put your level in these corners here, and that will give you, see I can do this, and that will give you a level there. That's the only way that I can get a good level in the base, because there's no flat edges in the sides, and you want a level. You want to, I mean, if you are like me, like I work with my levels, you want to have it as level as possible. You don't want to finish it and then have it crooked. And now let's give it a good clean off. Yeah, and I'm just gonna keep going, and I show you guys how it's gonna come out in the end. Yeah. Hello my guys, cool down the back, and here is how it's coming out. I already run my wires, number 6s and 10 for the ground, and it's level. It's looking pretty good, and I'll see you in the next clip. All right, and now we finished the installation. We have a dedicated breaker. And now, before we install the charger, we're gonna check for the voltage, make sure that we are getting the right voltage here in the base. It's kind of difficult. I'm recording a video and doing this at the same time. And exact 240 volt, exact what we need. And if we want to check each leg, each line, make sure that we have 120. That's 120 and one, and that's the other one, and 120, and we're doing great. Yes. And let me install the charger, and I'll see you in the next clip. Hello my friends, cool Andy here, and this is the last clip for the Tesla charge installation, and I just want to show you how clean it came out. Super nice, no scratches. I already powered the unit. You can see there the light. So the Tesla is coming Wednesday, so it's already ready for them to start charging it. And there's my dedicated breaker, 60 amp, and a market for them, so they don't have to do nothing. So yeah, so excited. I'm sure I'm gonna be very happy. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. GG.